Now the next example is trace x is equal to a cos t plus a by 2 log tan square t by 2 and value of y it is a sin t. So this is something different example, but procedure is same. First what we do, we will calculate dx by dt, we will calculate dy by dt, then we will calculate dy by dx. Accordingly we will prepare the table and then we will draw the shape. Okay. So differentiate this x with respect to t, we will get dx by dt is equal to, so here it is minus a sin t plus a by 2 constant as it is, derivative of log of something is 1 upon something into derivative of tan square d by 2 is 2 tan d by 2 into sec square d by 2 into derivative of d by 2, it is half. So try to understand this derivative. So differentiate this x with respect to t. So derivative of a cos t is minus a sin t plus a by 2 constant, keep it as it is. Derivative of log of something is 1 upon something into derivative of something. So derivative of tan square d by 2 is 2 tan d by 2 into derivative of tan d by 2 is sec square d by 2 into half. Now when we simplify this, we will get minus a sin t plus, now here these 2 and these 2 will get cancelled. So here it is again 1 more half. So a by 2 and then 1 tan d by 2 will get cancelled. So sec square d by 2 divided by tan d by 2. Now this can be written as minus a sin t plus a by 2 into, so sec square d by 2 it is 1 upon cos square d by 2 into 1 upon sin tan t by 2 is cos t by 2 divided by sin t by 2. Now 1 cos t by 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Minus a sin t plus cos t by 2 will get cancelled. So a upon 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2, it is sin t. So formula of sin t is 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. If I take cross multiplication, I will get minus a sin square t plus a divided by sin t, and which is equal to, if I take a outside, so what is remaining? 1 minus sin square t, that is cos square t. So a cos square t upon sin t. But this is calculation of only dx by dt. This is dx by dt. Now what is dy by dt? Differentiate this y with respect to t. I will get dy by dt is equal to a cos t. Okay. And if dy by dt is a cos t, so what is dy by dx? So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, and which is equal to, so dy by dt, this is a cos square t upon sin t, and dy by dt is a cos t. So when we substitute these values here and when we simplify, we will get the value as tan. Okay. So here for these values of x and y, we got dy by dx as tan. Now we will prepare the table which contains parameter t and then x, y and dy by dx. Now the table is, first row it is t, then x, y and dy by dx. So again I will choose values of t, minus pi by 2, and then 0 plus pi by 2 and then pi. Now for t is minus when we calculate the value of x and value of y, we will get the values as now these are the values of x and y for these values of t, and at the same time we have calculated the values of dy by dx. Now by using these special points along with their tangents, now we will draw the curve. So the last part of the trace is shape of the curve. Now by tracing the curve, first I will draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Now we will plot the points when x is 0 and when x is infinity, y is 0. So x is infinity and y is 0. So y is 0 means on x axis and x is plus infinity. So the point is, actually we cannot represent the point, but that point is at infinite distance from origin. Okay, so we will consider maybe virtual point, maybe here, but we cannot represent it because it is at infinite distance. So one point is here. Next point is x is 0, y is minus a. X is 0, y is minus a. So maybe point is here. Y is minus a. Okay. Next, x is minus infinity, y is 0. Minus infinity and y is 0. It means again we have to consider the point at infinite distance from origin towards negative side. So on this side one point at infinite distance, on this side one more point at infinite distance. Next, x is 0, y is a. So x is 0, y is a means this point, because on y-axis always x is 0 and y is a. So this point is at distance a. And next point is again repeated, it is infinity 0, already we have plotted. So in total we got 4 points. These two and these 2 points are at infinite distance. Okay. Now first we will think about these 2 points. This point is 0, a. So 0, a means this point. At this point dy by dx is infinity. It means at this point tangent is parallel to y-axis. So at this point tangent is parallel to y-axis means y-axis itself is a tangent at this. So curve will have shape like this or like this. Okay. Similarly, this point is 0, minus a, and dy by dx is minus infinity means tangent is parallel to y-axis at this point. So again y-axis itself is a tangent at this point. Curve will have shape either on this side or on this side. Okay. But as remaining points are on this side and on this side, therefore we can erase this upper part because most of the curve lies below this point. So here also we can erase these 2 points, these 2 parts. Okay. So the curve it is up to this point. Now the next point is infinity 0. Infinity 0. What is the dy by dx? It is a 0. It means at infinite distance there is a one point, but again that point, the tangent at that point is parallel to x-axis. म्हणजे काय? Positive x-axis is a tangent at infinity. It means it is asymptote. So we can draw the curve towards asymptote. Okay. Similarly, asymptote on this side and we can join this. Similarly, the point is minus infinity 0. Minus infinity 0 is on this side. Again at this point, tangent is parallel to x-axis. but this is a tangent at infinity. It means this x-axis itself is asymptote. So if this line is asymptote on this side, so the curve will have shape like this, and again on this side it is like this. Okay. So this is the final shape of the given curve, and such type of curve we call it as trapeze.